Alyssa, and it's sort of telling that I have a cold, so when I sing the song today, it's gonna be sort of, ooh, just please, don't say mean comments about me. There's been comments about me that I haven't liked, so Song of the Thing is a song that makes me feel brave, because it is brave. Not from the movie, it's actually from Sarah Bareilles, and I like the song, so let me just You can be amazing, you can turn praise into a weapon or a drug. You can be the outcast, just like flash, somebody's lack of love. Or you can start speaking up. Nothing's gonna hurt you, we hurt you when you have a weaker skin. When you inside, there's a light, sometimes a shadow wins. I don't know what could happen if you say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. What you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. See ya, I just wanna see you. Just wanna see you. Wanna see you be brave. See you, I just wanna see you. Just wanna see you. See you be brave. Ugh. Everybody's in there, everybody's in there, done by the enemy. I'm gonna feeling, God almighty. And stop holding your tongue. Maybe there's a way out of the cage where you live. Maybe one of these days you can let the light in. For me, you make it crazy to say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. Seems your history of silence won't do you any good. Can't you think it would? See anything but empty. Why don't you tell them the truth? Say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you face. See you, just wanna see you. Kayla, I wanna see you face. To see you, I just wanna see you. Just wanna see you. You be brave. I wanna see you. See you. Wanna see you. Just wanna see you. Just wanna see you. Sorry for that grill. I'm sorry, I didn't know it's good that much. I know my voice was a little bit squeaky because part of the notes were high. So, now it's good. So, thanks for watching. Bye.